So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saicharan Malayala. So if you have made any mistakes during the form filling of JEE Mains 2021, so now the correction window is open. So it is open yesterday, that is 27th January, and it is open till 30th January. So in this meantime, so if you want to correct your details, so if you find any mistakes in your previously filled form, so now you can edit them during this time period. So I will show how to edit your application form if you have done any mistakes. So this is the main official website of JEE Mains NTA. So if you can see here, so I will leave the link in the description of this main official website. So in the under this video, so if you have any corrections to be done on your application form, so click that link and follow this procedure as it is. So if you don't follow the guidelines, so some people have received a mail regarding that to update their images like signature and photograph and document. So if you didn't got any mail regarding that, so don't worry, so leave it aside. So beside below that, so there is a one more link called application correction of JEE Mains 2021. So just click that. So after clicking that, you need to log in with your details. So application number is already known to you. So the password which you have kept during the application form filling should be entered here, and then enter the case sensitive security pin and click sign in. So I will do this and get back to you once it's done. So chalo, the signing process is done. So after you sign in with your details, so you will see this type of interface. So now what you have to do is, if you just scroll down here, so you can see correction in application form particulars. So click this. So you can see there are instructions and procedure for online correction. Please read these 3 points carefully. So you should agree these 3 instructions and these 3 procedure points. So then only you can proceed for the correction. So correction in filled application form is one-time activity. After the updation in any data will not be under any circumstances. So candidates are advised to finalize application carefully. So you will be allowed to edit your application only once during this time. Okay. So correction will be allowed for only those candidates who have completed all the steps of the registration during the registration period and also paid registration fee. So before who completed all the registration process, who paid the registration fee and all. So for them only correction window is open now. And after correction, candidate is advised to take a printout of the revised confirmation page for further reference. Reading all these instructions carefully, so click this checkbox, I agree, and then proceed for correction. So I have gone here. So now you can see here there are personal details. So apply for education details and additional details. So if you have a made mistake in your name, so you can change your name, and candidate date of birth you can change. So gender you can change, father's name, mother's name. So wherever you feel you have made a mistake, so you can change that. So and also like, so this particular candidate has applied for 4 sessions of JEE Mains, February, March, April and May. So same like that. So you also applied for 4 sessions and you don't want to give February attempt. So check this box, and if you proceed, so that money will be refunded. So then only March, April, May will be there for you. So if you, so previously like you have applied only for one, okay, so now you want to also include for May or March or February, so that also you can do. So based on your convenience, based on your choice, you can choose these exams and choose these attempts. Okay, so if you want to change anything, you can change. So you can change the center also. So preference of the centers can also be changed in this correction window. So regarding the education details also, if you have filled any mistake earlier, so you can correct it now here. Okay, so if you have completed your changes successfully, you made the changes successfully, just enter the security pin and click on submit. So once you submit, so if you find again any mistake, you won't able to change that. So that's why once again, or 1 or 2 times, recheck each and everything, then proceed for submitting this form. Okay, so this is the correction process. If you have made any particular mistake, so check once or thrice before submitting that after correcting the application form. So the time is till 30th of this January, still 2 days is left. So if you have any mistakes, do check your old application form, and if you have any mistakes made in that application form, so try to rectify those mistakes and correct them during this time. So hope you understand how to correct your application form if you have made any mistakes. So see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. For more JEE updates and entrance exam updates, edu updates, so please stay tuned to my channel. So for that, you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon.